So here we've got a Delonghi La Specialista Maestro coffee machine. It's quite a nice machine. They're equivalent to the Sage Impress models, you know, the Breville Sage models with the Impress with the tamper on. What I'm going to do on this is to give you a quick run through how to actually descale on these and give you an idea how long they take, because they do take a while, and some people think that there's a problem because it's taking so long and they stop the descale process and then restart it and never end in the loop of not having it done. So it's quite simple. First of all, we just need to put some water in the tank. So we just take your tank out. What we'll do is we'll just get some descaler, and it's good stuff this. I use this on all the machines we do. Put about 1 inch in the bottom of the tub. We'll just pour it in neat. So that should be enough. Dilute it with water to about just over here. So just dilute it with some water. Put the tray back on. What you'll need to do is remove your milk jug container. Make sure you turn it to the insert position so you can pull it out. So you'll need your accessory that comes with the machine for descaling, and that just pushes on like so. You now need to put yourself a container underneath to catch all the water from there, here and here. Now press and hold the descale button, and then the process begins. And as you can see, it will start with the group head. The whole process will take about 40 minutes. As I say, it's a lot with all the Delonghi machines. Some customers believe that the machines are faulty because they just sit there and do nothing for quite a while. So I just put this video up just to give you an idea how long it takes and what the machine should be doing. If it doesn't do it, you'll just need to restart the process and all will be good. Now I've deliberately stopped the machine here just to show you what happens if you stop the machine mid-cycle. Now if you turn your machine on and your descale light is on, then it's not finished the process. As you can see, the machine is coming up to temperature at the moment, and the descale lights come on, which means it hasn't finished its process. I've just done that to show you what happens if you don't let it finish. It will still show you the descale light, so put yourself a container under there, make sure you've got your descaling solution in that I just showed you, and let the machine continue doing the process. So the machine will do this now for about 40 minutes. It'll start and stop at random, and there'll be times when it looks like it's not doing anything. Don't worry, it's just perfectly normal. As I say, it will take around about 40 minutes for it to go through this tank of solution, and then the machine will prompt you to put some fresh water in. As you can see, the water refill lights come on and the lights change colour, so what we need to do now is just rinse out the water tank and then put some fresh water in it. Don't forget to empty your little container before you restart. Also just give your drip tray a quick clean out, because that will have water in it as well. Put the container back in and then continue. What you should find now is the machine will just rinse itself through a couple of times, a couple of tanks of water, and then reset itself and all be good. So you go, the machine's just reset itself. It's now ready for use. No more flashing of the descale light or anything if you turned it off. If we turned it off and then back on, you'll see the descale light is no longer on. So that's all you need to do. You've just got to be patient with the Delonghis, but it's worth it because they do last longer than the Breville Sage machines, because they just get clogged up all the time. Hope you found that useful. Please subscribe and like, and watch out for future videos. See you soon.